Here's a few hints and tips that will help you to get the most out of the Visualizer app. Choosing colours. Using the Choose Colour button gives you some easy options for selecting colours. You may have a colour in mind, in which case you can simply type in the name. Alternatively, if you want to experiment with different colours, you can browse the full palette of Dulux colours that's available through paint mixing. Otherwise, select from one of the Dulux ready-mix colour ranges. Just choose the colour family and then the shade. You may want to try a colour from one of the lifestyle colour collections. These are grouped separately, making them easy to find too. Perhaps you're painting a kitchen, in which case it's always best to use a paint that has a special formulation. Simply select the kitchen palette to see the colour collection at a glance.